How long after windshield replacement can I drive in Tarzana's warm weather? You can safely drive 30 minutes after a windshield replacement in Tarzana's warm weather. The area's high temperatures accelerate the chemical bonding process of urethane adhesives, allowing them to cure faster than in cooler climates. This makes the 30-minute safe drive-away time both effective and reliable. Master Mobile Auto Glass uses premium-grade, fast-curing adhesives specifically designed for hot environments like Tarzana. These materials meet and exceed federal motor vehicle safety standards, FMVSS, ensuring a secure seal and structural integrity during collisions or airbag deployment. Their trained technicians follow strict installation protocols that align with both safety and manufacturer specifications. Choosing Master Mobile Auto Glass gives you mobile convenience and expert-level craftsmanship. Their team comes to your location, saving time while delivering high-quality service backed by industry certifications. Whether you're at home or at work, you'll get a fully cured windshield that's safe to drive the same day, without sacrificing performance or safety. Call Master Mobile Auto Glass at 213-378-2288 or visit www.mastermobileautoglass.com.